Welcome to this GoBright user video covering searching and the refinements that can be applied to searching for desks, rooms or parking. On the left hand menu I've got search, and that's going to allow me to search for my desk, my room or my parking. In this case I'm going to search for a desk on the ground floor of the office, and I'm going to search for a desk on a particular day in the future and just for the morning. The system administrator has designated some of these desks as different types and also added in different amenities. So if I was looking at a type of desk, I could have a height adjustable desk, I could have a normal desk. So if I wanted just a height adjustable desk, that refines my search and gives me less selection, but at least I know I'm going to be booking my height adjustable desk. Likewise, I could be looking at an amenity I want. So if I want a desk to have a MacBook, for instance, I can click on the MacBook, and that's now given me different desks I can start to work with as well. So if I wanted to work in HR and facility area, then I could be booking that desk for the morning, but I know it's going to have a MacBook associated to it. So the idea of the searching and the adding in of types and amenities, they can be applied to rooms as well. So in this case we might have a boardroom, a huddle room or a training room, and we'd have different amenities in those as well. So by having these extra refinements added into the software, it just makes the selection of that resource, be it desk or a meeting room, a whole lot easier for you, the user. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.